Do you want to sound like a native English speaker? Today you will learn 12 common English idioms used in daily conversation. Break the ice means start a conversation or remove awkward silence.
This idiom is often used when meeting new people.
Piece of cake means something very easy.
The English test was a piece of cake.
You can use this idiom when a task is simple. Hit the books means start studying seriously.
Example, I have an exam tomorrow.
Students often use this idiom before exams. Spill the beans means reveal a secret.
She spilled the beans about the surprise party.
This idiom is used when someone accidentally tells a secret. Under the weather means feeling sick.
Example, I feel under the weather today.
Once in a blue moon means something that happens very rarely.
Example, I eat fast food once in a blue moon.
Cost an arm and a leg means very expensive.
Example, that car costs an arm and a leg.
Bite the bullet means face a difficult situation bravely.
Example, he decided to bite the bullet and tell the truth.
Let the cat out of the bag means reveal a secret accidentally.
Example, he let the cat out of the bag about the wedding.
Burn the midnight oil means work late at night.
Example, she burned the midnight oil to finish her project.
Quick question for you. If something is very easy, which idiom should you use?
Write in the comment below.
Practice these idioms to improve your English.
Subscribe to Hash Me English for more.